Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 47,000 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering here on the screens or buttons, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Love this carbon steering wheel, super nice with the Alcantara on the sides. Got all the ambient lighting in here. Mercedes does a killer job on the presentation here from the driver's seat and just everything you see. Suspension feels good. Got the heads-up display here. A lot of power. You can just feel it wants to move. Steering's perfectly straight. Doesn't have any type of shakes to it. Brakes. Brakes are solid. The steering wheel or the pedals, neither one of them shake or vibrate or do anything weird. Everything is solid. This thing definitely has some good power. It's just kind of barely getting on it. Really nice. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So we do have full front clip PPF on this car, paint protection film, full fender, hood, front bumper, even the gloss black trim there, and that little flare. So full front clip PPF. You got the PS4S's, Michelin's, they look really good. Date code 2025, so they are really new. Looking at the wheel, that's in great condition. Do have chip on that caliper. There might be a couple more, but overall really clean. Bright red, looks good. That wheel looks awesome. Now on this film, you do have a large gash right there in the film. Trying to kind of examine that paint. Just kind of peeling on that film. I see a lot of sparkle in that paint, so I don't know. I don't think it got impacted. So if you replaced that fender film, it should be good. Don't quote me on that, but look close. I think something just snagged the film. Either way, that is there. There is a chip right here, little indentation. That looks good. A-pillar's clean. You also have film on the side mirror. You do have some little flaws in the film, little impacts. And then you have the door cups, a little trim there, and on the edge, which is really nice. Now looking down here, you are going to have a lot of little impacts from the tires kind of flinging debris, and a larger chip right there. It's on that lower curve, it's really subtle. You have 3 more chips there. Got one there, a couple small little impacts. Typical swirls on that gloss black trim. Looks good. Quarter panel's clean, lower bumper looks nice. That flare looks good. Date code on this tire, 2024. Looking at that wheel. Little scuff here and there, but overall that thing looks really good. Looking at the front end here, like I said, full front clip PPF. I do see, you know, that's really hard to tell if that's just in the film or if that is in the paint. There's a flaw there though. Really hard to tell on that. I'm not seeing any other flaws up there. Looking at the headlights, no film on those, so you're gonna have little impacts here and there. Some light scuffs in that film. If you get up close, you're gonna see typical impacts on the film here. And I'm not sure when they applied this film. So was this, after they put 15,000 miles on the car, or is this just from brand new? And you're gonna see the little flaws there. So of course you get close, you're gonna see these little things. Very hard to tell and stuff like that. But as of now, it is fully protected. Looks really good. Looking at this wheel, date code on that tire, 2025. You can tell it had some previous rash, so they kind of sanded down that edge. You have to get really close to see that. You know what I'm talking about? You can see it starts right there and ends here. It's very subtle. Like I said, little impacts down here. Got a chip right there. Side mirror looks good. Overall, those doors are clean. Right there on that very edge is a little rock chip, and then 3 or 4 little ones right there. And here on this wheel, you are missing a center cap. You have a gash right there. The rest of the wheel looks good. Scanning that upper section, that looks nice. Now here on that back bumper, you do have little scuffs from getting stuff in and out of the cargo area. Quad tips look good. Not seeing really any other flaws back here. All of that looks really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and you have tons of carbon in here. It looks so good. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Heated cool seats. All of this stainless looks really nice. Carbon is so cool. Couple little scuffs there. A few wrinkles in the leather here. Otherwise, that panel looks nice. Illuminated trim. Got the all-weather mats. If you look close, a couple little scuffs. You can see the stitching right here is separating a little bit. We're kind of fraying. Upper seat, that looks good. Got the Alcantara here. You're gonna have some spots kind of matted down, carbon on the top and on the bottom. That is a beautiful wheel. You have carbon all the way across that dash, massive screen. Upper side of the dash looks good. Those buttons look awesome. Heated steering wheel and power. You have a lot of gloss black trim, couple markings on that handle. Otherwise, all of that looks really good. All right, checking out the back left door panel. That's in great condition. Got the illuminated trim. Now you do have a gash right there. Looking at the seats, overall look good. I don't see any stitching kind of separating. All that looks really good. Seat back looks nice. All right, looking in the cargo area. If you get under here, you're gonna have that little tray there that you can install and put the little shade up. Back of the seats look good. That carpet's in great condition. A couple little scuffs on the plastic there. That looks nice. Of course, you got your third row here. Here on the front right door panel, you got all the carbon here, heated cool seats, memory seating. All of these covers look awesome. That looks good. Very nice door panel, illuminated trim here. Those floor mats look really cool. Typical wrinkles here. You got your Alcantara. If you look in the perforated holes, you're gonna see some little stuff in there. You can probably poke those out with a toothpick. A little bit of wear on that edge, but otherwise really, really nice. Looking at this trim, that all looks good. Beautiful carbon here. Underside of the glove box looks nice. Upper side of the dash from here looks good. Massive panoramic roof. Here on the back right door panel, Got a little marking right there, little scuff here. Lower side looks good. That trim looks nice. Love these floor mats. Here on the seats, you can see the stitching is kind of coming up right there. You see that? And then right here it is coming up a little bit as well. Kind of fraying. Upper section, that looks good. You do have a little scratch right there. You have a pretty small third row, not a lot of room. Overall though, that looks good. Okay, checking out the engine bay. All of this looks really good. Nice and clean. Under hood liner, that's in great condition. Beautiful engine bay.